What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete TikTok Shop Seller Center account. So let's get right into it. Head over to your browser, and as you can see I have already opened up the outline steps for you. And here all you need to do is go to the basic shop information, go to your account, then go to your account settings, and then close your shop account. It is all commission fees. You must ensure that you have you have all payments have settled and all commission fees have been paid, and there are no current violation tickets involving frozen payments. And once all these fields are marked finished, you can click next and proceed to the following step. And by then you can just close your account, and thus your account closure is completed. So this was the information I wanted to share with you guys. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.